stop. Hang on. Did you eat my hair again? Why do you eat my hair all the time? Nanda! Wait! Oh no, you swallow my hair. Why would you do that? なんで食べちゃうの？なんで食べちゃうのあんた？ねえ。ねえ。You've been punished. I hold you for 10 minutes. もう抱っこの刑です。She doesn't like it. She doesn't like I'm holding her. I'm gonna hold her for 10 minutes. なんであんた食べちゃうの？やめてよ。やだ。No, you stay here with me. You stay here with me. You're being punished. You're being punished. Just like us. She keep eating my hair though. How do I stop her? She's been doing this since she was a baby. She's chewing my hair when I'm sleeping though. I wake up and they're like, what are you doing? なんでそんなことしちゃうんだろうね。Why would you do that all the time? I told you to stop it, isn't it? She escaped. The prisoner escaped. Oh my goodness, your hair. You need a brushing.